Hey, hi everyone. So today we are basically going to see the difference between a lazily loaded module and an eagerly loaded module. What we have here is basically your eagerly loaded module. That's your app module, and all your dependencies. That's your home components, filters, models, and services. All are loaded eagerly, as it's part of the app module itself. So today what we are going to do is we are going to basically create a new feature module, dump all the dependencies, that's your models, components and filters into that feature module, and try to lazily load that module instead of eagerly loading it. So this is a simple crude app wherein you have the option to create, read, update and delete. So it's basically a contact list wherein all these contacts are being populated using a JSON file which is present in your assets folder. So once you go there, you can change the data, and you have the option whenever you edit a particular contact, you have the option to change the first name, last name, email, phone number and the active status. So if I make it inactive, so basically it will show you the updated status here. So as I said, I mean, this is an eagerly loaded module. So first we'll be creating a new feature module, and we'll be dumping all those components in that module. So like we have the app module, we'll be creating another module called as the dashboard module, and we'll be moving all the components and other dependencies like the models and filters into that module, and we'll be lazily loading it. So let's get started. So the command to create a new feature module in Angular using the Angular CLI is ng generate module name space module name, which is dashboard, and then you specify the routing as true. So your routing equal to true basically will create a new routing file. So we'll go to the file explorer, uh, select all the dependencies that were there in the app module and move them to the dashboard module. So now once you open your VS Code, you will get a few errors as the directory structure has changed. So now all these dependencies, we basically do not need it under app module, we can move it under the dashboard module. So we'll do that. We'll remove all the declarations, imports and providers and move it to the dashboard module. Alright then. Now let's quickly move the routes from the app routing. See this, and move it to awesome. Only thing left is the lazy loading of your dashboard module. So here it goes. You specify the path, then we say load children, then comes your import statement, then awesome. Now we'll quickly run ngserve, and we'll wait for it to get compiled. So once the compilation is done, we'll go and load up our app. Awesome. So now if you want to again eagerly load it, then basically you go to your app routing.module.ts, comment out the lazy loading route, go to your app module, import dashboard module here, and I think this should do it. Yeah, our app is reloaded and it's eagerly loaded now.